Feeling trapped by online harassment? Discover how you can reclaim your peace of mind. Online harassment is any threatening, derogatory, or harassing behavior directed at someone online. From cyberstalking to doxxing, the impact of online harassment can be devastating. Victims often experience anxiety, depression, and even fear for their safety. But you don't have to suffer in silence. There are steps you can take to fight back. One powerful tool at your disposal is securing a court order for website removal. First, identify the source of the harassment, even if they try to remain anonymous. Gather all evidence of the harassment, including emails, messages, and screenshots. Contact an attorney specializing in internet law to guide you through the process. File a lawsuit to initiate a case and seek a court order for website removal. The court will review your evidence and decide whether to issue the order. If granted, the court order will demand the removal of the offending content. Non-compliance with the court order can result in penalties, including fines or jail time. Documenting everything meticulously will strengthen your case in court. Send a cease and desist letter to the website owner or administrator as a first step. If the harassment continues, escalate the matter by filing a lawsuit. Show that the content is defamatory, invades your privacy, or is otherwise actionable. A court order will compel the website to remove the offending content. If the website fails to comply, they may be held in contempt of court. Taking these steps can help you regain control and protect your online presence. Don't let the trolls win. Fight back and reclaim your peace of mind.